Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. On your virtual video walkaround here at Sunset Ford, we're going to allow you to see this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition of the passenger side as we make our way around. This is the TRD 4x4 off-road package, of course. Just love this color of blue. Making our way around, we're going to take you down the driver's side. Tow package, rear slider, power. This truck is fully loaded. Let's take a look on the peek on the interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. Absolutely flawless. Power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, GPS, it's all here for you. Bluetooth capable, of course. It's a super clean truck. She's not going to last long, so for information on this Toyota or any other vehicles in our inventory, call, email, or text us. Best of all, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner, see you and make it a great day.